Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on XLM. For the past few days, the price of XLM is still getting accumulated at this support of 31.2 cents. That is also the recent swing low point before the breakout from this down channel as well. And still, it is working at a very firm support. Recently, a few days ago, we had a long spike inside this support zone that starts from 27 cents and goes to 25 cents. A quite long-term support zone. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that this support line from 27 to 25 cents has been previously working as a very strong resistance line here, support here, support here. And now again, it is working as a very strong support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very strong resistance from 45 to 51 cents. You can see that for the past several weeks, the price line is getting rejected by this resistance line. And even after the breakout from this channel, the price then could not break out this resistance and got rejected. And now recently we have broken down this Ichimoku cloud support. And we have also broken down the EMA 21, the exponential moving average 21 support as well. And now these both levels, the EMA 21 and the Ichimoku cloud, that is now turned into bearish cloud. And the bearish cloud works as a very strong resistance. We will need to break out these two resistance levels as well. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout that is happening here on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. By the way, I have been showing you this falling wedge pattern for the past almost 2 years. And I've been telling you that after the breakout from this wedge, we can expect a very massive pump. And you can see that so far from this low to here, the price line of XLM has rallied almost 876%. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for XLM that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members. And that was a very big harmonic bullish reversal setup that XLM formed on the monthly time frame chart. And therefore, this was a quite long-term trade signal. And so far, this signal has produced more than 400% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because then I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for XRP, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade signal I shared on 18th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also want the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very nice reversal and moved to the sell target zone. By the way, this move was formed only on 1 hour time frame chart. Now let's move to the long-term trade signal for XLM that I shared on 29th of May 2022 with my members. That was a very big and long-term harmonic bullish reversal Gartler pattern that XLM formed on the monthly time frame chart with US dollar pair. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that finally the pricing is geared up from this buying zone and read the sell target zone here. And so far it has pumped almost more than 400%. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of XLM. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that recently the price on XLM broke out this down channel. And after the breakout, we also broke out this EMA 21 resistance as well. You can see that for the past several days or weeks, it was working as a resistance. And after the breakout, it was flipped into a support. And we also broke out this green cloud, the Ichimoku bullish cloud, that was working as a support after the breakout for the past several days or weeks. And now, after getting rejected by this long-term resistance zone, a very strong resistance zone from 45 to 51 cents, and also got rejected by this uptrend line resistance as well. Several times we got rejection. The price has broken down these two support levels, the EMA 21 and the Ichimoku bullish cloud as well. And the cloud is now turned into bearish cloud as well. You can see that it is turned into red color now. Therefore, now it can work as a very strong resistance for the price line of XLM. Right now, the price is getting accumulated at this support. That is the recent swing low point before the breakout from this channel. Therefore, this support will be very critical. And if the price starts in the reversal from here, then first we will need to break out this short-term resistance of 36.5 cents. That was recently working as support here and support here. And again, it can work as a resistance. And after that, we will need to break out the EMA 21 resistance and this Ichimoku cloud and this resistance, a quite long-term resistance of 40 cents as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 40 cents has been previously working as a very strong resistance here for several weeks. And now again, it had been working as a very strong support here in the month of November, in the last week of November 2024, support here. And after the breakdown, it was working as a resistance here, support here for several days or weeks. And now again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of XLM. And then we will need to break out this resistance line. That starts from 45 cents and goes to 51 cents. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at 63 cents. And now if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then this is the falling wedge pattern that I've been showing you for the past almost 2 years. And I've been telling you that after the breakout, we can expect a very, very massive rally, and that rally has begun. And now we are very close to hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And that target is here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between 80 cents to $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because then I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.